Hello everyone, in this video we will continue to work with Boolean layers. Let's create a union layer. As you remember, everything is built on primitives using Boolean layers. Let's add a hole as a difference layer. You can also add a grid to such places. If you duplicate a layer object, it also belongs to the same layer. You can change the primitive type at any time. He's like this because I didn't stretch him from the primitives panel. Therefore, you need to reset the scale or create a new object and make it a primitive. Let's see what we have already done. To remove an object from a layer, select the desired layer, select the object in the list and click minus. To move an object from one layer to another or simply add a new object to the layer, you make the object active, select the desired layer and click plus in the object panel in the layer. I added an object to the merged layer followed by a difference layer, so the cylinder is clipped by the next layer. In this layer, when objects touch, they automatically connect. I think I want something similar using dual mesh. Create a new object. Let's make it a cylinder primitive. Look at the new object. You have an empty layer editor. You can work by applying layers to different objects. This optimizes your work. Here, one object has its own layers on top of another. Perhaps you have always wondered what the intersect is for. Now I'll show you how you can apply the intersect layer. Let's make some area for the intersection. Select the object and make it active. Now you will have only the geometry that intersects with the objects of the intersect layer. Duplicate the object. I think now it has become clearer to you what it is needed for. You can also manage the primitive settings and create different things using this method. Configure the way you need. Look, you have two objects with Boolean layers, but maybe you want to control all layers of all objects at the same time. You have a filter, it will expand. At the moment unchecking the layers you will see all the layers that are in the scene. When transferring or if you need to select many Boolean objects at once from several objects with layers, you can turn off the checkbox. Select the necessary objects and adjust the primitives with the Alt key pressed. You can also add one object with layers to another object with a new union layer. This will allow you to completely disable any part of the part. It will also help you optimize your work. This is an object on which there are layers. If it is duplicated, then all the same layers will act on it. Therefore, by changing the size a little, we can achieve this. It seems there is something there. I think the walls are touching too much. I will increase the size a little. Now everything is cool. You can also use my link curve add-in with the intersection layer. to make it much more interesting. It seems there are too many of them. I think 2 will be enough. Let's make them bigger. Let's see how the bevel layer will form. It seems that some transverse edges need to be added here. If you are confused about the layers, you can change their name. The name of the layer is synchronized with the name of the collection and modifier, so you should not name them the same. You can also change the name of a Boolean object for your convenience by double-clicking the name. We will see in the next part of the video. If you have a suggestion to improve this feature, write in the comments or to me by mail.